single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
For giving us these planks here. So yeah, a big thumbs up for them. They've really helped us a lot. I'll show you their details, so if you need your pallets or anything like that, you can give these guys a call. Thanks. Hey guys, it's Lefa here. Well, I've had some issues here with chickens. So yeah, I'm trying to make a plan to make like a laying, some area where they can go and lay their eggs. So I've just put one in there now. I see there's one chicken already inside. Okay, let me quickly show you guys. I think you can see. Oh goodness, I'm losing focus here. Okay, I think you can see that chicken in there. I'm hoping it wants to lay an egg there. It doesn't want to play inside there. So I just put that one in there. I'll show you guys how I built that one. Let me just go inside and show you. Because I had. So there's the chicken there. I'm hoping it wants to lay an egg there. Well, we'll see. But I see already there's one checking what's going on up there. I think that one is gonna give me trouble. But yeah, I just built that laying tray there. I'm not sure what to call it yet, but yeah, let's call it a laying tray or something. That's where they go inside and lay an egg. So I want to see if that works. I see there's one chicken already inside there. Let's see how it works out. I'll show you guys how I built that one. So those planks there were donated to me by Scrap King. It's a company that builds pallets. So guys, I'm gonna put this one right at the corner.